Well, this thing's been making a loud screaming noise, vibration. I pulled the panel off, and this thing is just wobbly in here. It's all loose, and the belt dropped and wore out the paint right off that. So looks like this is going to have to come out. I think it's a 1/2 inch. So I got a socket with an impact, and I guess I'll pull these out. Pull this off. And that one off. And I guess I gotta pull these nuts off. Yeah, that looks all wobbly. The bearing went or something. Oh boy. Well, these look like they're the same, I guess 1/2 inch. I'll just maybe zip these out. Well, there's two I can't get. Can't get the impact gun on that one, and this one's giving me trouble, so I don't know if I gotta heat them up. I can't get these two off. Well, it wasn't too bad. I just put a wrench on it with a hammer, hit it a couple times, and it's coming off. So that's not too bad. Alright, I guess the nut was a little messed up, so I hammered the impact socket on there, and I'll try it again. Let me try this. Oh, there it goes. Alright, the nuts are off. Alright, tapped it a couple times with a hammer, and it dropped out. I'll reach under and grab it out. Alright, well, even with the carriage all the way up, I can't get that out, so I had to jack it up a little higher. And see if this will slide out. Right, there it is. Alright, so what was wrong with this thing? Is it just the... Oh, it broke. Wow. It's cracked. I don't know, maybe I hit something. I thought maybe the bearings just went out. Jeez. Alright, so I'm going to have to take the blade off and order a new one. This is just wonderful. Okay. So I got the blade off, and it really needs to be sharpened. It's in bad shape, but I got a new blade. I might as well just put a new blade on here. I don't know if these come pre-greased, but I was gonna put some grease in there, and of course my grease gun's empty, so I got to reload that. Put this back, and since I already got it jacked up, I might as well replace the other two blades while I'm under there. So this really turned into a project, but this, the bearings are actually rolling out. You can see there's one of them, but I got the new one, and I don't know, does it look the same? I'll put the blade on and see. First, I'm going to clean this up on the wire wheel before I put it back on. Alright, well that cleaned up nicely. Just did the top of that. So, let's put that back on. Alright, so the bolt that came out of here does not fit in here. It goes in like 1-2 threads and stops. So this I bought off of Amazon. Everything else fits, but did they change this to metric, or did I order the wrong one because it's a knockoff brand? I don't know. So that's not going to work. So I ran to the hardware store and I got a new one, and it's a M16 thread, so that threads in no problem, and that is metric, and this is not. So I don't know. when I ordered this, it didn't come with the bolt. I assumed you had to use the old one, but the old one's different. So it's always something. So let's try and get this blade put on. So, good thing I tried doing it on the bench instead of it being on the mower, laying on the ground upside down, trying to put that in and figuring out why it's not going together. So, alright. Alright, well, I put it up on the lift. You could probably put it in without the lift, but I'm going to put 2 more blades on. So I might as well put all brand new blades on here since I got them. I did not put it on with the impact gun. I just tightened them, you know, all equally in a star pattern. So they're all equally tight. Get the belt guide on. So at this point, I guess I'll just put the pulley on. And looks like it does line up. I got that socket off. All right. That was a 1/2 inch, I think. And I'll probably have to take the belt off. And I did shoot some grease in there, just a little bit. So that's where I'm at with this. I'll start changing out the belts, I mean the blades. I got all new blades on here, so what a project this turned into be. Okay, to get the belt back on, pop that cover off this side, walk that off, then you can loop everything around and then walk this back on. But gotta put the phone down to do this, but alright, I might have to jack this up a little higher because I'm hitting the ground with that. The other thing is now I need a metric socket for that one because I changed out the bolt and these two are standard. So I gotta make a note of that. But, alright, maybe I can get that off. Alright, well, let's get these. Alright, yeah. Yeah, it's not too bad, but I might as well put all brand new ones on since I did all this. So we're getting there. I mean, they could be sharpened. I'll do that in the winter time. For now, I'm putting new blades on and I'll get these sharpened as a backup set. Yeah, would you believe this? It's right there, but yet it's too short. I was almost there. So now I gotta go find an extension cord and get that one done. Alright, well, it's a good thing I put all new blades on because when I took that one off, there was string wrapped around the inside of that. So, alright, I'll get this done. Alright, well, that's done. So that's on. And just kind of walk it on without pinching your fingers like I just did. I got it caught under there with that finger. I'll pull this out. Jeez. Yeah, that hurt. Got it caught under there. Man, these things. Anyway, it's on.